Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video here making bookmarks and bookmark pockets from window envelopes. Now the little project that you see up in the left hand corner, that is actually going to be a whole video as well, but I just wanted to do this just as a little video because I'm kind of running behind, and I thought I want to get something up because I haven't got anything up for my Monday video yet. So as you can see here, I'm just choosing what size I want that, so it was 2.5 inches wide, and then I'm just going to fold that up. I'm not going to take anything off the length, we're keeping that because I'm going to make a little pocket at the back. Then here I'm going to trim off a little bit at the top. Oh no, I'm not actually, I don't know what I'm doing here. Yeah, no, I'm going to do that. I'm doing a voiceover, can you tell? So then I'm just deciding what bit of the paper that I'm going to use. So this is ARTYmaze's June freebie kit. You can find that on her coffee shop. So I'm just trimming that down. Then here I'm just adding some glue. Could use a glue stick or whatever, but I was having major problems with my glue today. I think it's because when I left the room yesterday, I never put the lids back on anything, so everything was all blocked up and I had to try and clear it all out. So there I'm just nesting that on top of there, and then I'm using that piece for the back. So I'm just going to chop a little bit off of that because there's no point in wasting that and hiding it underneath the little pocket that's going to be on there. So again, just gluing that down. So this is a great little project to do if you've got lots of like tall scrappy pieces of papers like in your stash. I've been doing a lot today, coffee dyeing, inking up some stuff, playing around with my little mixed media journal. I'll hopefully get that completed in a couple of weeks. It was only a small journal. I think I only done like 5 pages, folded in half. So that gives me 20 sides. So I'm not like got loads and loads to think about. Anyway, back to this, popping that paper down so that we've got something nice to look at when we actually take the bookmark out of the pocket. So I'm just going to stitch all around, and what I did was I stitched the top, stitched the other side of that pocket, and then I stitched around three sides. So this, I measured that, and that came out at 2 inches, 5 centimetres. And I trimmed that, and then I backed that onto some cream cardstock. That piece didn't quite fit, so I went hunting for another piece, and just with a glue stick on we go with that. So I'd made at the beginning, you see 3 of these at the beginning of the video. That is because I'm making 3 of the little stuffed paper bags, which hopefully that video will be up soon, and that will be showing you start to finish on that as well. And you will again see this in the midst of it as well, because this is part of a bigger video. So just inking up around the edges, and then I go and sew all around just with a straight stitch all the way around, and I've punched the hole and I'm putting an eyelet in there. And then I got these little tassels with some like clear acrylic bookmarks. They're only little bookmarks. I think I got them on Temu. I think it was quite a while back, but yeah, so the tassels are on there, and then that's it. You can choose whatever you want on that, and on the back of the actual bookmark you could write down your books or whatever. Here I was thinking, oh, shall I put something on, a word, but I didn't. So anyway, that's my little video. Hope you liked that. It'd be good if you gave me the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.